Hi students, welcome to today's online class. So in continuation with the yesterday's class, we will learn about the classification of software, that is we learned a system software. Now we will learn about application software. So as you all know, these are the revision classes. Just I will give the overview of the topic and I will provide you the notes also. So application software means which helps the user in accomplishing some specific task. So it is referred to as an application software. So application software may consist of a single program or a set of programs which forms the application software. So it can be built for any kind of application. The working purpose of any application software is of very different types, you can observe. So there may be a graphical software, it may be of a word processor, or it may be of a media player, or it may be of a database application or telecommunications, anything. Okay. So some of the examples you can see: Microsoft Word, Excel, which we will see in our labs. So Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, all are the application softwares only. So if we talk about types of application softwares, so mainly depending on the working purpose, these application softwares are categorized as a word processor, spreadsheet, database management, graphic software, entertainment based softwares, and educational based softwares. Some are personal assistance softwares also. Okay. So word processor means word processor, it is a special program used for word processing. It means which are related to word, means completely textual matter can be entertained in word processing. So which can be defined as a method that alters the look and appearance of characters, the font sizes, and any formatting of text, all can be available in word processing softwares only. So it enables user to create and edit manipulate the text document. The file name of word process is document, we call it as. The file in word processing softwares is a document. So next, spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means it's a workspace that consists of interrelated columns, like complex reports can be generated. They are built with cells arranged in the form of rows and columns. As we did some of the practicals regarding MS Excel, you can observe that. So the rows are aligned horizontally and columns are of vertical. So these are designed for labels of rows and columns defines the address of a cell. So in general we call it as the intersection of rows and columns can be named as what? Cell. Next software is a database management. So a database management system, it is a software that defines a database, stores the data, supports a query language. So all the database application softwares has to support any of the query language for querying and having any commands to query that language. So it produces reports and creates some of the data entry screens also. So some of the examples of database management, you can say Oracle, and for your lab session you will see a small database application, that is MS Access. So next is a graphics software. Graphics software, it is implemented through a system. So in order to create, to design, manipulate, edit, to take the print of the pictures, drawings, and any of the graphics that you are required. So next is entertainment based software. So in entertainment based software, you can take an example of a video game which you will play through online or offline. After downloading that particular application only, you are able to play it efficiently. So next you can, if we talk educational based software. So nowadays online classes are based on some of the educational softwares that are like any of the application, we call it as a Zoom. So and also which are useful for online classes, and for learning purpose there are some of the applications called Vedantu. So these are apps are related to educational based softwares only. So you can assume many examples related to this. And the last one is what? Personal assistance software, we call it as. So this type of software is mostly used in personal computers only for various purposes. For self purpose, these assistant softwares can be used. Self purpose means what? Storing and retrieving the personal information, and also you can take any of the prints of required documents. So, and planning and managing contacts and any of the financial schedulings, scheduling meetings and financial data can also be stored in your personal assistance software. Okay, this is about what application software. In the next class we will see. Thank you.